Jai Hind, dear students, good news, and good news. Many students of April 7th batch, June 7th batch, and obviously old warriors, old students from all the batch, there is positive news. They have cleared, many students, they cleared physical, then written exam, then adaptability 1 and also adaptability 2, and they will be having their medical from 2nd September onwards. So it's a good news, positive news are coming. Students, those who are disqualified, nothing to worry. Just give your 100% in Baripadar Ali, and also in September you have another A4 exam. So congratulations to all successful students, and those who are unable to qualify, those who missed the written and physical, nothing to worry. Just give your 100%. Continuously prepare and give your 100%. Already students of your batch, they qualified, and if they can qualify, you can also qualify. So let us discuss some questions of Barakpur rally, which is very, very useful for the Baripadar rally also. So from GK, all the questions are moderate questions. For example, questions are first country of European Union to accept UPI transfer. First country of European Union to accept UPI transfer. Then next, father of Sanskrit grammar. Who is the father of Sanskrit grammar? Next question, in our constitution, election process is taken from which country? Next question, which vitamin is found in carrot? Which vitamin is found in carrot? Next question, Durand Cup is associated with which sports? Study of human race is called. Similarly, an astronaut in outer space will observe the sky in which color? An astronaut in outer space will observe the sky in which color? Mathematics, all the chapters that we discussed, time and distance questions are there, LCM, HCF questions are there, simplification questions are there, simple trigonometry questions are there, question from SI and CI are there, average question from the chapter average is there, reasoning, English, alphabet related reasonings are there, 5 diagram question, non-verbal questions are there, blood relation question is there, direction question is there, group analysis is there, and also number series, questions from number series. And English, very easy passage is there, one word substitution is there, jumbled words are there, synonym and antonyms are there. All the questions are from practice sets and materials. So all our students, nothing to worry, keep cool, don't change your method. Iti jemti practice kortila exactly say type question hi asuchi. So don't attend negative questions. If you don't know the answer, skip it. Skip karo tako. Attend that the questions which you are confident. Jota confident acho, attend karo. Jota asuni, doubt achi, chhadi dio. So all the best for Baripadar Ali. I hope you all will do well, will clear all the stages, and will touch the sky with glory. Thank you very much.